In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docker with MongoDB. We're going to walk through the basic setup inside Docker Desktop so you can quickly get a MongoDB container running on your machine. This is a great approach if you want a clean, isolated database environment without installing MongoDB directly on your computer. Start by opening Docker Desktop. Before you do anything else, make sure Docker Desktop is fully running and responsive. If it's still starting up, give it a moment until the interface is ready. This helps avoid issues when searching for images or launching containers. Once Docker Desktop is open, go to the top search bar and type in Mongo. This will bring up available images related to MongoDB. You'll want to look for the official MongoDB image, since official images are generally the best choice for reliability and compatibility. Using the official image also makes it easier to follow common tutorials and documentation later on. When you find the official MongoDB image, click Pull. Pulling the image downloads it to your local system so Docker can use it to create a container. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. If it's your first time downloading the image, just wait for the process to complete before moving on. After the image has been downloaded, go to the Images tab in Docker Desktop and click Run. This is the step where you create a container from the MongoDB image. Think of the image as the template and the container as the actual running instance of MongoDB. Before launching it, expand the optional settings. Here you can review and customize a few important items, including the container name, ports, and environment variables. Giving the container a clear name can make it easier to identify later, especially if you plan to run multiple containers. The port settings control how your computer connects to MongoDB running inside Docker, so it's important to confirm the host port is set the way you want. Environment variables are also useful for configuration, and this area is where you would define them if needed for your setup. Take a moment here to review everything carefully so your container starts with the right configuration. Once those settings look good, click Run. Docker Desktop will then start the MongoDB container using the image and options you selected. After that, MongoDB should be running inside Docker and ready for use. That's the full process. Open Docker Desktop, search for the MongoDB image, pull it, create a container from the Images tab, review the optional settings, and run it. If you're just getting started with containers, this is a simple and practical way to begin using MongoDB in a controlled environment.